A heartwarming friendship begins. Cute kitten meets two little chicks. Welcome to our channel. Enjoy this heartwarming adventure as a curious little kitten meets two adorable baby chicks for the very first time. They carefully watch each other with sweet curiosity, then slowly build trust through gentle steps, playful moments, and friendly interactions. Watch as their tiny friendship grows into a joyful and unforgettable experience filled with love, innocence, and happiness. Their gentle play and adorable expressions create a relaxing and family-friendly story that will warm your heart from beginning to end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more heartwarming animal adventures and adorable pet stories.